students. In our last video, we will discuss with you that what are the characteristics of living organism. How you will identify these are the living organism and these are non-living organism. First characteristic of living organism is that living organism need food. Beta, all living organisms need food. You, me, green plants, all are the living organism, either microscopic or macroscopic. But living organism, चाहे छोटा है चाहे बड़ा है, each and every living organism require food because food provide us energy for various life activity. Beta, you read the chapter, you will respire, you will see the other thing, you are moving from one place to another, you move your hand, you do some exercise. In each and every activity that you perform in your daily life require energy, and that energy is provided by food. So each and every organism need food. These organism, these living beings may be plants or maybe animals. These living beings may be plants or maybe animals. Plants are that living organism which provide its own food. That means green plant make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means green plant required carbon dioxide from atmosphere, water from earth in presence of green pigment chlorophyll. And sunlight. Photo means sunlight. This photo means sunlight. Synthesize their own food and release 6 molecules of oxygen. This oxygen is used by living organism for respiration, and this food prepared by plants itself will be consumed to get energy, and excess of food that will be formed by plant is given to living organism in the form of fruits or vegetables. And number of animals depends upon plants for their food. Those animals which depends upon plants for their food, that animals are known as herbivorous animal. The animal depends upon plants for their food. This type of animal is known as herbivorous animal. And some animals depends upon other lower animal for their food, just like lion, wolf. These are the animal which depends on other organism. They do not eat plant. They eat other organism, other living beings, other animals. These are known as carnivores. These are known as carnivores. That means animals are of two types: herbivorous animal and carnivorous animal. Herbivores which eat green plants or plant product, and carnivores which depends on other organism for their food. But each and every living organism, either plants, either animals, or some other type of microorganism like bacteria, fungi, all need food their life activity, because food provide energy for various activities that will be performed in our daily life. You identify yourself. You need some eatables after 2-3 hours. Why? Because in 2-3 hours you eat something, this will be digested in your body, and in these 2-3 hours when you do not eat anything, your body do activities like respiration, transportation, excretion, all the activity performed by yourself, and all the energy provided by the food is consumed, and you need something eatables after some time, because that eatable is the food, and food provide energy for further life activity. It is the first characteristic of living organism. Second characteristic of living organism is all living organisms show growth. Better, this is most common. All the living organisms show growth. How will you identify all living organisms show growth? Better, you will identify by seeing something. Suppose in your surrounding you see a hen. Hen lay egg, white color egg, and give heat to these eggs by their own body. These eggs, better, chick is come out by hatching the egg. After particular time period, chick is come out from the egg by hatching, and this chick will grow day to day life, and a time will come where this chick will be changed into adult hen or adult cook. Better, if it is female, it will form hen. If it is male, it form cook. That means you see this type of changes. Better, suppose you have a pup at your home. You rear this pup. आपके पास एक छोटा सा डॉगी का बेबी है, आप उसे रियर करते हो, मतलब आप उसे डेली खाना देते हो, पालते हो समथिंग. देन a day will come where this pup will be changed into adult dog, either male or female. In the same way, better, human being, newly born baby, infant, it will be grow into small baby. When various life activity, it will learn. चलना सीखेगा, बोलना सीखेगा. That stage is the small baby. Then this small baby change into child. At the childhood, you will go to school from nursery to 12th, and then change into adult man or woman, maybe man, maybe woman, and then at the adult age, growth is not stopped. Better, growth is stopped at old age, and old age will be stopped at death. That means all over. That means by birth to end of the life, we will grow daily. Suppose this plant, we have a seed. We sow the seed inside the earth, but it is soil. Watered it, it will germinate. Better, it will germinate. Then germinated seed will be grow at small plant, and small plant will grow at complete tree. So growth is another characteristic of living organism. Either these living organisms are plants or these living organisms are animals. Any of the animal. Better, let's explain. All living organisms show first property, that need food. All living organisms need food, that you learn already in your previous chapters, and this food is essential to all living beings, including human being. That plant make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. You learn in your lower class, and this is the reaction of photosynthesis that will be occur. And photosynthesis is shown by green plants only, because these green plants have chlorophyll. And some animals depends upon plants for their food. These animals are known as, better, those animals which depends on plants, these are known as herbivorous animals. And those animals which depends on other animal for their food, that is known as carnivorous animals. beta all animals depends on plants or other animals for their food, because food give energy for the living organism to do various life activity or for their survival. Survival means for their longer life. Organism also need energy for various life processes that will be going on during their life period. Clear? It is organism need food. Why organism need food? Answer: to get energy for their life activities. Now second, all organisms show growth. Beta, number of time, leave all that. You see yourself when you are child, change into your baby, change into childhood. Your clothes are smaller. Why? Clothes are non-living. Clothes retain their size, but you will grow. You increase your size. Clothes are automatically be smaller. That means you are growing. Then when you change from child to adulthood, what happened? Your clothes are again shortened and new clothes are sewing for you. In the same process, that means clothes are smaller, not you are growing. Clothes are remain their size. You are growing. These clothes are not useful for us or for you for that time. Beta, young ones of animals grow into adults. That surely be. Notice that pups grow into adult. A chick hatches from the egg and grow into hen or cock. Plants grow. Look in this picture. Beta, first of all seed into germinated plant into small plant into tree. That means growth seems to be common in all organisms. Either these organisms are smaller or these organisms are larger. Thank you.